it'd be cool to be able to see behind me. And usually that middle mirror, the side mirror, is so tall that I can't really see over it, over the back of this thing. All right, so you just kind of slip that thing over there. Let's start putting the screws back in. Oop. So that didn't work out at all. Okay, we got the first screw started. Hopefully that makes this one a little easier. We've got our first bracket on, now we just have to screw in the mirror. Should be easy. About like that, and there's a jam nut so you can set it and you get it to the right location. Which is gonna be about right there.